Hi, welcome everyone. So, in the last class, we have discussed about balanced equation, right? And I'm very happy that you people are asking assignments, right? So that means you are getting it, right? So it will be very happy moment for me. So now we have discussed by taking two or three, examples, right? And I have explained about how to balance the chemical equation, any chemical equation. That means if you want to say any chemical reaction as a balanced chemical reaction, then definitely the reactant part must and should be equal to the product, right? That means the number of moles of reactants must and should be equal to the number of moles of what product. So, in that regard, we have discussed by taking two to three examples, I think. So, today we will, proceed that part. We will continue that part by taking some more examples, and definitely I will give some assignment questions also, right? So, later during this class. So, first, we will solve, one more example. See, the sentence will be like this. Nitrogen nitrogen reacts with hydrogen. Nitrogen reacts with hydrogen in the presence of iron. This is level up type of question, we can say. In hydrogen, in the presence of iron, Fe, right? Iron is nothing but Fe. Iron, to produce or to form, you can say like this, to form ammonia, right? To form ammonia. So this is the question. In this, what they have given, we first try to understand that, and later we will go for the equation. So they have given nitrogen, hydrogen, right? And there is a iron. Iron in the presence is nothing but I will show you. And there is a ammonia to form ammonia. That means our reactant part is consists of what? Nitrogen. Nitrogen is again a gas, and what I said, the gases are always present in diatomic form. Di means two. N2, H2, I2, right? Already I have explained. And this nitrogen is reacting with what? Hydrogen. In the presence means as a catalyst, right? In the presence means as a catalyst. And catalysts are those, right? So this is new term for you. So catalysts are the chemical compounds or chemical species which enhances the rate of reaction. That means, see, enhances means what? They increases the rate of reaction. Like how, say for example, after reacting these two, N2 and H2, of course we will get ammonia. That means NH3. If this reaction is taking, right? If this reaction is taking 2 hours of time to form ammonia, when there is no catalyst, then if I introduce a catalyst into this reaction, then the reaction, the product one we can get within 2 minutes, right? So this is the capacity of this catalyst. So again, I repeat, these are the, and during classes definitely we will completely go through it. But for now extent, you just try to understand about catalyst, that the catalysts are the chemical compounds or a chemical species which enhances the rate of a reaction. That means it increases the rate. Rate is nothing but time. That means if it is a slow reaction, if we add a catalyst, then that reaction we can get. We can complete that reaction within a very short period of time, right? So that is the main what work of this iron. Catalyst, right? So now see. According to sentence, we have written a general chemical reaction. A chemical reaction. So now, see here. Now again, what we need to do? We need to balance this equation. If we need to balance this equation, then definitely what we need to do again, we have to check the reactant part as well as the product part. If they are same, then it is already balanced. If they are not same, then definitely this reaction will not be balanced. We need to balance this reaction, right? So now see here, N2 plus H2 gives, nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form a ammonia. Ammonia means NH3. So that's why you just try to remember the common names of some elements: ammonia, water molecule, calcium chloride, NaCl, sodium chloride, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Like this, you just keep these points in your mind. So while writing this type of reaction, when they give these type of reaction in the form of sentence, at that time it will be very helpful for us. So now see here, our reaction is barely, if we see, the reaction is not balanced, right? Why? Because very easily one can decide on the basis of nitrogen itself that there are two nitrogen, but here there is only one nitrogen at product side. And the same case with the hydrogen also. Here there are only two hydrogens, but here we got three hydrogens. So that means what we need to do? So first, trying to balance one element at a time. If you go for balancing both the elements, then definitely you will get confused. So first we will balance this nitrogen, then later we will see about the hydrogen, right? So as we did in the last class. So first we will solve this. That means the nitrogen, N are two here, but in this case only we have one. So what we need to do, you just multiply. I can't write like this because the valency comes, and valency I will take next class only, right? So we need to have some idea about the valency also, right? So now don't go for the valency, just we will go with the balancing, general balance. Later we will find out, we will go with the valency, right? After valency class, then we will balance the equations with their particular valencies. For now explained, you just go general balancing. N2 is, here there are two N, but here only we have one N. So that's what I need to do. I will just balance, first I will balance the nitrogen. Okay. Now, nitrogen is balanced, okay. But what about hydrogen? Hydrogen is not balanced. That means 2, 3 are 6 hydrogens are there, but hydrogens are more here, but at the reactant side we have less hydrogen. So that means we have to balance which side? Reactant side. So now 2, 3 are 6, right? And how many we have here? Only 2. So that means multiply it. So if I multiply it with the 1, then it will be only 2 again, no balancing. If I multiply it with 2, 2 2s are 4, but here we have 6, 2 3s are 6. So that means, again, go on. That means if I multiply this with the 3, then definitely we are coming near. Almost our equation is balanced. 3 2s are 6, and here 2 3s are 6. 6 hydrogen and 2 nitrogen. Now our chemical equation is balanced, right? So like this, we can balance more and more reactions. So now if you want, you can take some examples, assignment examples. So try to solve it and then send me, right? So now we will see first one, sulfur dioxide, right? Note it down. Sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen in the presence of, presence means what? Catalyst. In the presence of vanadium pentoxide. Vanadium pentoxide. That means V2O5. Directly when we can call vanadium, pent means 5, oxide, oxygen means oxides. Vanadium pentoxide to form or to give, to form sulfur trioxide. Right? So it is better you only solve these things, then you come to know what are the difficulties you are having while solving this. Okay, I repeat it. Sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen. Sorry, oxygen in the presence of vanadium pentoxide, VNI, vanadium VENI. So vanadium pentoxide V2O5 to form sulfur trioxide. Please solve it and send it to me. Right? This is one assignment. So I will give one more. Right. Okay, methane reacts with oxygen. Methane reacts with oxygen to form or to give, you can say anything, to give carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. Right? Here there are two products. Don't forget. Here we have two products, carbon dioxide as well as water. So this is second assignment, I can say. This is second assignment. Right? Okay. Methane reacts with oxygen to give carbon dioxide and water. So dear student, you just solve these two questions and try to send me, right? Then we will see what are the difficulties you are getting. We'll discuss during next class, right? Thank you.